If your work involves creating and using PowerPoint presentations like this, then this AI tool will increase your productivity by over 60%. Just go to Gamma AI and log in. Of course, I have an account. So once you get to the page, you click on create. Once you create your account and get to the page, click on create new AI. Then on the next page, you have three options. The first option, you can generate using you can give the AI a prompt. This option. In such a case, you'll get to this page where you can choose the number of slides you'd like to have. For instance, 10. You can go below. If you only need a short PowerPoint presentation, you can go below. Here you can choose the language you'd like to use. The English UK, English US. You can go Spanish, French, and then here is where you insert the prompt that you like to use for the presentation. The next option, you can paste a text here. If you have a text that you have already created, you can paste it here and the AI will include it in your PowerPoint presentation. The third option, you can paste a URL. If you have a URL from a blog page or maybe some website that you like to use its content to create the PowerPoint presentation, you go to this option. Then you'll have the option of inserting your URL. Yeah, you can also import a file from Google Drive. Yeah, this option, or you can import a PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to improve, or a Word document that you'd like to use, or maybe a PDF. This goes to the first option. In this case, I'll use the first option, which will generate using a prompt. Click on that, select the number of slides you'd like to use, go to 10 maximum. If you need more, you'll have to upgrade, but in this case, I want to show you how to do it for free. So I'll limit my presentation to 10 slides, then choose English USA as my chosen language. Then here on the prompt, I'll not choose mine, I'll use what has already been provided here because this is just a demo for you. So physics of sound teaching, I'll go for physics of sound teaching. Examples of prompt: physics of sound teaching, then click generate outline. Yeah, I will generate an outline for you. I will generate an outline for you since I chose 10 to generate an outline, 10 slides for me. So here you have an option of editing the provided outline. You can go through it. Once it's created, you can go through it and see what you'd like to change, what you'd like to improve, or what you'd like to delete. To change it, you just click on change the components, the contents of the outline. You just click on the one you would like to change and edit it. You can delete, you can delete the contents, you can edit everything. If you'd like to delete this slide, click here and delete. If you'd like to insert another slide below it, you just add. Just click on add a card below. For instance, if you click on here, it will create another one that you can then insert your content, the content you like to be included, the title of the contents you like to be included in that slide. Because we don't want that, just delete it. After this, if you are happy what you have, if you're happy with what you have on each page, for the contents of each page, what you do, you go below, You can also add, if you would like to add and you have upgraded, you can add more slides. In this case, I'll keep it that way. Then when you go below, you'll find place written settings. The setting parts, you choose the amount of content you'd like to be included in the slide in the PowerPoint. You'd like to be, if you'd like it just have brief contents, you choose that. If you'd like it to have moderate contents, use that. If you'd like to have so many contents, you choose the detailed part. Then on the image source, you have a number of options. Click on the image source. You can choose stock photos. You can use web images. If you choose web images, the AI will scroll the web and choose relevant images for your slides. If you go for AI generated images, AI will generate images for you. In this case, you can guide it, you can give it a prompt on how the images should appear. For instance, if you'd like the theme to be an official one, you can put the prompt here. If you like it to only include human beings, maybe human beings in a corporate environment, people in a corporate environment, you insert the prompt here in details so that you get just that. But it's not necessary, you don't have to. If you just leave it blank, choose AI images and leave it blank, AI will think for itself and do its thing. Come with images, relevant images for you. There's another option, you can also go for illustrations. If you choose illustrations, the images that will be used in your PowerPoint presentation will be illustrations only. But in this case, I like to use AI generated images. So after clicking on that, I'll just click on continue. Just like that, I'll be brought to this page where I now choose the theme that I'd like to be used for the presentation. There are a number of options available here. Choose carefully. Choose what will work for you. How you like the presentation to appear. Take your time and choose what's best for you. In this case, let me just go with this one. Let me go with the prism theme. Click generate. Just like that, my PowerPoint presentation will be generated. This will take a few seconds. Just like that, it's almost done. Once it's done, allow everything, including the images. So see here, we have see, yeah, now this is the complete presentation. So physics of sound and interactive exploration. So just created the PowerPoint. I created the name. You see the name included here. The tool by default uses the name of the Google account used to sign into the platform. This is what we have. The images are generated by AI, and all the slides have the titles that were included in the outline. After this, after you've generated it, you can edit it. I'll show you how to edit it. What you do next, go here, click on the three dots. Click on the three dots, you'll have the options. You'll have the option to export. Click on export, then choose how you'd like to be exported. Go for export to PowerPoint. Go for export to PowerPoint. This is the only option that will give you the option of editing. If you export it as a PDF, you'll not be able to edit it. But as PowerPoint, PowerPoint document that you have will be editable. This will take a few seconds. So just give it time. Just like that, it's done. So open it. Now this is how it appears. This is the finished product. This is how it appears with the images well arranged now. So after this is done, what you can do, you can now on your desktop, you'll not be able to edit it here, but on your desktop you can be able to edit it. It's just a normal PowerPoint presentation. Everything is normal. The display will be normal. It will be editable. You can click on these components and edit anything you want. You can even change the images if they are not appropriate for you. If they don't look good for you, you can change them. Everything is perfect. See, in less than 5 minutes, I've done a complete PowerPoint presentation that you can edit, you can improve. Also, one more thing, Gamma AI includes its watermark in the right bottom corner of the PowerPoint slide. If you don't want this, you can edit this in your desktop. You can edit this by inserting pages and then copying the contents of the slides of each slides and pasting new pages that will not have this watermark. Just like that, you have done amazing PowerPoint presentation that you can use to improve the quality of your presentation.